Hey everyone, it's Sean from Crafted Elements, and it is time for our 75K/Spring Maker giveaway. In this giveaway, we're going to be giving away 2 separate packages to 2 lucky makers. Each person is going to get a package with a Weber Original Kell Grill, a Wonderboom 3 wireless Bluetooth speaker. You're going to get 10 50-gram jars of Black Diamonds pigment. You're going to get a 1.3 gallon pack of Total Boat Thickset resin, and of course you're going to get 2 of our massive silicone maker molds, a 21-inch oval and a 24 by 12 silicone charcuterie board mold that are of course good for making epic things. Now all you need to do to enter for your chance to win is follow us here and then click on that button below, or simply go to craftedelements.com/giveaway to fill in the contest entry form. We're going to be announcing 2 winners on April 22nd. Now these packages are worth nearly $1,000 each, so I wish you the best of luck and happy making this spring. And of course, if you are looking for some massive silicone molds or some incredible templates to help you make epic things, visit craftedelements.com. Thanks for watching, guys.